Hello everyone, it's Miss Albanese. I'm here to take you through Module 6, Lesson 1. I can generate and organize data. Data is just another word for information. So we're going to get information and organize it in a way that helps us problem solve, answer questions, and use the data that we have gotten. Before we get to that though, we'll do some fluency to try to keep our multiplication and division strong and our skills sharp. First thing we want to look at is group counting on a vertical number line. You guys know what a number line is. This is just a number line that goes up and down instead of sideways, and that's why they call it a vertical number line. What's halfway between 0 and 12? Anybody think it's 6? If you said 6, you'd be right. Next, look at what's halfway between 12 and 24. What do you think that might be? 18. Ooh, I think I see a pattern starting to show here. Next, what is halfway between 24 and 36? Let's see. 30. Halfway between 36 and 48? 42. Now I definitely see a pattern here. Let me see. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. What does that look like I'm doing? Let's go on to the next one. 48 to 60. What would that one be? 54. Let's count forward and backward by sixes. Ready? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And backwards. 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, and 6. How many of you figured out that we were counting by sixes on that number line? I'm seeing 70 up there. That gives me a hint as to what I'm going to be counting by this time. Let's see if I'm right. Ready? What do you think the halfway mark between 0 and 14 will be? If you were thinking that the number would be 7, you're correct. 7, 14, 21, 28. What comes next? 35, 42. What's next? 49, 56. I bet you know what's next. 63, 70. Now backwards. 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7, 0. Didn't take us long to figure out that pattern, did it? 80. I bet that means we're counting by, what do you think? I bet it's 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32. What's next? You're right, it's 40, 48. What's next? 64, 72, and 80. Let's count forward and backward by 8s. Ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. You know what that reminds me of? This song we always sing. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. I bet it made some of you think about that too, didn't it? Okay, I think this one's going to be counting by, what do you think? Let's see if you're right. 9s, 9, 18. What's next? 27, 36, 45, 54. What's next? 63, 72. And next is 81. How many of you got that one? And then 90. Let's count forward and backward by nines. 9, 18, 27, 36, 50. I'm sorry, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and backwards. 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, and 9. Next, we're going to talk about division. We're going to use a tape diagram, which is one of our strategies in our toolbox. And the value of this whole is 6. How many parts is 6 going to be broken into? Let's see. 2 parts. Tell me a division equation to solve for the unknown group size. Anybody think they know what that would be? There's whole of 6. We know we have to start with our whole for division and then divided by 2 groups. So 6 divided by 2, 2, 4, 6. How many was that? 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now draw a rectangle with 8 as the whole. Divide it into 2 equal pieces. Write the division equation to solve for the unknown and label the value of the units in this slide. 8 is the whole, 2 equal parts. 8 divided by 2 equals 2, 4, 6, 8. I was doing that on my fingers. It took 4 fingers, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. Very good. What's the value of the whole? 6. And how many parts is 6 broken into? If you said 3, you're right. Tell me a division equation to solve for the unknown group size. 6 is the whole, so we have to start with that. 6 divided by, how many groups do we have? That's right, there's 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals, let's count by 3 to 6. 3, 6. Oh, that took 2 times, so 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Very good. 8 is the whole, divided into 4 equal parts, and write a division equation to solve for the unknown. 8 is the whole, so we start with that. 8 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided by 4 equals, let's count by 4s to get to 8. 4, 8. Oh, that only took 2, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now we have 10 as our whole, and it's broken into 5 equal parts. And we have a division equation we can use to help solve for the unknown group size. 10 is the whole. We'll start with that. 10 divided by, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals, let's count by 5 so we get to 10. 5, 10. Oh, that was only 2 again. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. This time 10 is divided into 2 equal parts. Write a division equation to solve for the unknown and label the value of the units. Oh goodness. What is the value of the whole? Well, it's 9. 9 is divided into how many pieces? 3. Tell me a division equation to solve for the unknown group size. The whole is 9. The parts are 3, so 9 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9 is 9 divided by 3 is 3. Here we have 12 divided into 2 equal parts. 12 divided by 2 is What do you think? 6. This time 12 is divided into 3 equal parts. 12 divided by 3 is 3, 6, 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Draw a rectangle with 12 as the whole. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Write a division equation to solve for the unknown and label the value of the units. So 12 divided by 4, let's see, 4, 8, 12. That's 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Next, I want you to get out a piece of paper and listen to the application problem. After I read this to you aloud, I'm going to sign off and leave you to do this by yourself. And then after that, I want you to go to the problem set, work through your problem set, and then the exit ticket and work through that. Damien folds a paper strip into 6 equal parts. He shades 5 of the equal parts and then cuts off 2 shaded parts. Explain your thinking about what fraction is unshaded. That sounds like a tough one. You're going to have to draw that one out. When you're finished with this, move on to your problem set and then move on to your exit ticket. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye. If you have any questions, be sure to send us a dojo or a question on the Google Classroom link. Thank you.